In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a theme header and footer in Hubspot. We'll walk through the process step by step so that by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to customize these elements to suit your needs. So grab your computer and let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Hubspot website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner and you'll notice a button that says Log In. Go ahead and click on that. If your account is linked with Google, click on Sign In with Google and select the appropriate account. This is a quick and secure way to access your Hubspot site. Once you've successfully logged in, you're ready for the next step in the process. Now that you're on the Hubspot dashboard, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate over to the content section. You can usually find this in the main menu. Clicking on it will present you with a few different options. What you're looking for here is website pages. Go ahead and click on that option and it will take you to a list of all the pages on your website. To edit a specific page's header or footer, you'll want to locate the page you're interested in from the list that appears. Find the name of the page you want to customize and click on it. Once you're on the page editor, either scroll up or down to find the header or footer section that you're planning to modify. When you find the part you'd like to edit, look for the button that says Open in Global Content Editor. Clicking this will open up a new editor specifically designed for making changes to global elements like the header and footer. This is a powerful tool that allows you to customize these areas of your website comprehensively. Now that you're in the global content editor, you can begin making the desired changes to your header or footer. Whether it's tweaking the design, rearranging elements, or adding new features, make sure to save your work as you go along. The editor provides a dynamic way to see how your changes will look once they are live. So take your time to experiment and ensure everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied with the edits, don't forget to hit the Save or Publish button to apply your changes. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to edit the theme header and footer in HubSpot. This customization will help you maintain a consistent brand look across your site and improve navigation for your visitors. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy editing.